Magsasalita yata si Yana. Ha? Magsasalita si Yana?
May sasabihin yata siya. Isang niya lang.
Yan nakaupo eh.
Mamamatay daw si Lola.
Ha? Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na.
Si Lola? Naka-heels? Ano na pala ito yan? Ang props.
Anong ginagawa?
Inabalis yung langaw. Lola, hindi po ba?
Asa kuya mo?
Ay, nagbibideo. Wala na mas malaki. Ano yan? Spider?
Yun na, yun na.
Yan pala ang ano, bida eh. Kinain ng ano, Lola. Kinakain niya. Alam ko na yung Lola. Kinakain siya.
Kaya parang taba ng Lola.
Oo nga, ang taba. Laki na siya. Pagkauli ng insekto. Ayan, bird. Sabing Lola to.
Swallow the bird to catch the spider. Swallow the spider to catch the fly. I don't know why she followed the fly. Perhaps she'll die. There was another bird who swallowed the horse.
Ganda na ano nila, no?
Wow, that's a fantastic performance from our preschoolers.
Why don't
Lola.
Why don't we give another round of applause for our pupils in preschool?
Ay, ano si Lola?
Bakit talaga?
A 10-year-old boy from Burma wrote on a piece of paper the word love. When he was asked why, he said, because if people keep on going to war, love will be wasted, and peace and happiness will be lost.
As admissions, we also take our share in promoting peace and justice, even